teachers, be politicians, be preachers. Yeah, yeah, be believers, be leaders, be